Hi guys, here's May from OKE Storage. This video I want to talk about pallet racking systems package with you. What types of pallet racking system package you think are perfect? Or what point you think is the most important in package? OKE Storage has over 20 years of experience in this field, so we always improve ourselves, including package. Okay, now I want to share some special points for our OKE package with you. First one is wider and thicker steel belt. We use wider and thicker belt to fix your package again because it can fix more stronger than usual. But with the time scale, we found a question in this package. We are afraid of that the steel belt may be damage the surface of the racking, so we put another cotton paper under the steel belt to prevent it from damage caused by the steel belt. Okay, now this is the first point I want to share with you. And the second one, we would put cotton paper on both of our package. For example, we will put cotton paper here and here when we make a package for the pallet racking system, because we found that the racking package would wrap each other during the shipment. Just for example, here are two packages of pallet racking system, and during the shipment, if we don't put cotton paper on both of sides, they may be rub each other and damage this side of pallet racking system. So we put a cotton paper on the side of their package and solve this problem. The third one is that we would put another cotton paper on the bottom of our package, because we found that during the loading and unloading, the forklift would damage the bottom pallet racking system of the package. So we want to protect our package. We will put another cotton paper under the package and avoid it damage caused from a forklift. Okay, here are 3 points that are special for our package, for our OKE package. Do you think they will put your product perfect? Or what are the points you think is more important? You can make comments under this video and we will improve ourselves in the future.